Our dashboard navigation is getting a little bit easier with our latest release. When coming in from a collection, users will now see the other dashboards associated with that collection in a convenient drop-down next to the existing tab buttons. This addition was made based on feedback we've received from customers wanting to create a more lockdown experience for certain users. In the demo we're looking at here, you can see that we have a single dashboard that has been cloned, and a single filter is being applied, leading to the different data being presented. When training new team members on CaliberMind, this allows admin and analyst users to create a single dashboard, and then cloning that dashboard, updating the default filter set, and locking the filter set. Now those new users can easily flip between different views of the same dashboard without introducing confusion as to what all of the other filters do. We've been looking at the admin view. Now let's take a look and see the differences for those standard users that have access to these dashboards. You'll notice that the drop-down is available for those users as well. As they hop from dashboard to dashboard, they can open the filter drawer, but they can't change filters. These standard users will still be able to change the date range and aggregation, but nothing that will change the context of the dashboard. As we return to the dashboard listing, there is one important call-out to review. If a dashboard is selected from all dashboards, or a link is shared that doesn't contain a collection ID, the page will open without the new drop-down. Dashboards can belong to multiple collections, so it's not possible for the system to guess which other dashboards should be shown. Hopefully this new navigation will help simplify your team's experience with CaliberMind's built-to-scale reporting framework. Thanks for watching.